Ooh. Okay. All right. Hopefully, this mic is incredible. But I don't know. Also, I put in my earplugs this time so I can fucking. Ooh, we clear, brother. Ooh. All right. Plan is literally just redo the fucking video, the same video from you know, the first time around, bruh. Are you with me, bros? Oh! What up, bros? I can't say that. That's copyright, bro. Whoa, I can like hear my feedback. Okay, I think it's working then. Anyways, hopefully there's not wind noise or like way less. You know, calm down, guys. First time. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Anyways, what I was saying last time, like I wasn't prepared because I don't know how this freaking works, bro. I just thought, you know, one could assume, you know, it's just a camera, camera, and you just do it, bro. I don't know. I'm stupid. Nice Harley, brother. Nice Harley, brother. Nice Harley, brother. And I know the camera position is a little funky when I tuck, because like I tuck and then you can't see anything. It's just staring straight down at this at my shit. But you know, I won't put my phone there this time, so that maybe that'll be better. We chilling, bro. We chilling, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a little dark. I kind of waited a little too long, bro. Cause like it was Butamus, and it was Butamus, bro. Why is it red? Who is it red for? But yeah, it was Butamus. Like the sun was setting. Oh, so cool, so pretty, so crazy. So, but these damn days, it gets dark at like 6 p.m. and right now it's 5, I think. And like, damn, bro, like, what the hell? I got no taillight left, bro. I'm about to do this 30-minute route, and it's gonna be pitch black. I'm scared. I don't like when it's pitch black. Don't do it, brother. Lean that mug, boy. Damn, these people would zoom in. What the? Oh! Man, that boy close as fuck on my shit, bruh. Damn. Oh man, people scare me, bro. People scare me. These Florida drivers is tweaking. Oh, lean that motherfucker, boy. I'm in the wrong gear for this, bro. Why are you braking, my brother? Oh, damn! That resonation, my brother. What are you doing? I don't know how fast I can take this turn. Oh! I can take it a little faster. Oh shit, brother! I'm leaning, I'm scraping knee. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at all this traffic. All this traffic, brother. Got me messed up. Woo! I'm gonna try to not tug as far as I did last time so that y'all can see what I'm doing. Huh? See what the f happening up in here, man, bruh. That wind is crazy, bro. I just hit 600 miles though. A little break-in period. Ah! Little oil change or something. Ah! What the hell is wrong with me, bro? I'm tweaking. I'm geeking. I'm tweaking. I can't save no hoe. I low-key wanted to do something like race the GPS, try to beat the GPS. But that's a little crazy. I need to finish my my break-in miles for real. Damn, it's dark. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, yes sir. That boy on the S1K. That boy S1000. Yes sir. Oh damn, that boy hot. Yes sir. Is that thing whining, bro? That thing whining. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god! I can't catch up to him, boy. Ah! That boy's sick, bro. Hell yeah. Uh-oh, another one. Pow pow on the 1000. S1 double 1000. Oh, S1000 double. Oh. That's hot. I think I've creamed. No homo though. That boy was fine, bro. He looked like Brian 636. Oh, he vibing. Come get me, cuh. Incredible. Oh. That boy keep pow pow. There he go. There he go. He flying on my little R7. Can't keep up. Can't keep up. I ain't even gonna try, bro. I ain't even gonna try. Oh, incredible, man. It's a little chilly. Brr. Shiver my timbers. Man, I'm cold, bro. Let me cut up some. Let me do a little cut up action, bro. I know 120 ain't the fastest, but come on, man. I'm on an R7. I'm also not trying to push it. It's a little windy to be doing all that, boy. I'm scared. I'm freaking scared. S1000 blah. Bro, I've seen more freaking S1000s than freaking goddamn R7s. I haven't seen an R7 here ever at all. Man, I feel lonely. Damn, that boy's headlights are pointed up. Oh my god. That boy illuminating the sign. That's crazy. S1000 blah. Louisiana, hot, 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 hot. Come on, come on, come on, no feet down. Yes, sir. down in my butt. Bro, honestly, bro, I feel like what I was saying in the other video was so much more entertaining than what I have to say here. But like, bro, my mic didn't capture nothing. It's so sad. Ooh, but hopefully you can hear the boom, 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 boom. Ooh, brother. Oh, almost fell over. Incredible. Green like my peen. I'm playing. My peen is not green. Green eggs and ham. Holding my hand. Licking a motherfucker named Dan. Ooh, bars. Oh, come off the bike. Yep. From 600 to 1,000 miles. Don't. Oh, Jesus, that scared me. Just a leaf. God damn. Don't keep it, or keep it under 6K. But like, bro, over 90 mile an hour, you can't even. That's not even possible. Just sitting in here. Like I'm at a 90, I'm at 6K, I'm a little over. Crazy. Oh well, I think it'd be alright. That was 130. Oh, no it wasn't. I'm not illegal. What the hell y'all talking about? Oh my god. Oh, it's a dirt bike. Pegasus on my Fornusi. Oh my god, the wind is pushing me. I love all the torque that this thing has all the time, bro. It's crazy. It's delicious. Makes me want to eat a steak or something. Damn, that voice crack. Oh my god. Ooh, there's a lot of people. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people. Where can I get this shit? Can I make that? Almost killed me. It's okay. That's my fault though. coochie is cold. My coochie is cold. Oh my God! I'm dragging elbow. I'm definitely not dragging elbow. But it's okay, as long as you believe. You gotta believe you're dragging the elbow. What the hell going on up here, boy? Woo, buddy. Uh-oh. Oh man, it's red. Oh! I got a plan though. I'm gonna cut up the streets. Cut up the streets. Cut up the streets. Whoa! Ow, my butt! Woo, brother! You got no lights on, my boy. Ooh, did I beat him? Probably not. Fuck! Oh! Goddamn. Oh, man! A red light! I hope the camera like auto adjusts for the lighting and stuff. I think it does. I have all the default auto lighting stuff on and stuff. Oh, my fucking butthole. Damn, that boy zooming, bro. What the hell? All these cars. Imagine having a car, bro. Let me put on my blinker. Let me be a model citizen.